Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm SeebieDeebie, and today we are going to be doing a review on this mustache and beard dye. Now, I'm not going to use it for my mustache or my beard, as you can see, but I'm going to be using it for my eyebrows. Now, I've seen other YouTubers tint their eyebrows with this product, so I'm going to try to see if I could do it myself. As you can see, I have like really gray looking eyebrows compared to my jet black hair. So I got the color, what color did I get? Dark brown. So I got dark brown. There was a few other colors that I almost wanted to get. Like there was a jet black, but I decided not to go the jet black. But we're gonna go ahead and get prepped up. So there's a few things that I have here. I have some rubbing alcohol, and I have some lint-free cotton pads here that I'm going to be using to clean off my eyebrows. I've seen other people talk about using Vaseline to kind of outline your eyebrows, so just in case the dye gets out there, it'd be easier to wipe up. But so I also have that, and I have a whole bunch of Q-tips here that I have just in case that I run outside and I want to fix it. And then, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put my hair up in a ponytail. And also I have a hairband here because I have a lot of baby hairs and I just don't want them in my way. All right, so I am zoomed in. So I'm going to go ahead and get all the stuff out of here. This is everything that it includes. So I need to pay close attention to the instructions. Okay, so this is the little mixing tray. These are the color base and activator color developer. And then, you know, there's a little brush. No, I'm not going to use that. You know what? I forgot. We need another tool. We need the eyebrow tool, a little brush tool. So I grabbed my really old MAC brush here. Really old MAC brush. Super old. So I'm going to use this to be applying the actual dye onto my eyebrows. So what you want to do first is squeeze the base right here into the tray. And then you squeeze the color developer into the tray, and you want equal amounts of this. So I'm going to eyeball it and see if I can get equal amounts of it. All right, guys, here we go. Try to get equal amounts. And I'm going to just squeeze that. And then I'm going to go ahead and go with the color developer and squeeze that amount. Okay, the look of these tubes, they are huge, so this is gonna last me forever. Now you go in and you mix it. And this is the little brush tool that it comes in with. So I'm gonna go in, look at that little bit, it's so tiny. I'm gonna go in and we're gonna stir this thing, okay? Do you guys see my little dots here? We're gonna stir this up. So here we go. This is so little. But I feel like that is way enough. And I actually have some Bounty sheets here too that will be very helpful. Okay, so you mix it, mix the brush handle, and then it says apply. Okay. I feel like that's pretty good. All right, so now I'm at step 4, and I apply to my dry facial hair, which is my dry eyebrows. And again, I'm going in with my MAC brush here and just going to slowly dip it in here and apply it to my eyebrows. So here we go. Just gonna take a little bit like that. Can you see that? Just that much. I'm so nervous, guys. I'm so nervous. Okay, this is my first time doing anything like this, so here we go. I'm gonna kind of ombre it up here, so I'm not gonna apply any up here. I'm just gonna try to ombre it back. Or should I? I don't know. Okay, so that's all I'm gonna do for this side, and now I'm gonna go on to this side. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with this side again and fill it in some more. So I think it darkens throughout the process. I'm gonna try not to freak out if it gets too dark. but we'll see. So I feel like if you used a bigger brush than this, you might have a little bit of trouble. So I'm glad I got a really, really small tip brush. And just thinking about this, how long does this actually last? It says long lasting, will not wash out, lasts until the gray grows back. Seriously, my eyebrows are gray. Now I'm gonna go in and fill this side in again. And it says to leave on for 5 minutes, but I think it depends on what color you're trying to achieve. If you're trying to get like a darker color, I heard that you can leave it on for about 10 minutes or so and go from there. Now guys, I don't think this ombre look's gonna do it. I think I'm gonna have to fill it in because it's totally different. I'm just gonna go lightly at the beginning because I can see it changing colors, and like you can see the huge difference right here. Okay guys, it's getting really dark. I feel like I have more dye on some spots than the other. And again, this is dark brown. I think I should have went for black. I think that would have matched it a little bit better with my hair. I feel like this is way brown. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna put the timer on for 10 minutes and then we'll come back. Okay guys, so I have 2 minutes left and I wanted to come on here to show you guys how dark they have gotten. And at first I thought that they weren't dark enough, but I feel like they might be the color that I'm looking for. We'll see. But if, I don't know if you guys can see, there's a little bald spot right here at the end of this eyebrow. And I tried to go in with some more dye right there, but it didn't really come through. So I'm wondering how it's going to turn out. I'm not sure, but if I need to go fill it in again, I will do it the second time and just fill in that little spot. But yeah, I'll be back in a few more minutes. The time has come to take it off. So I have a baby wipe here and I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe one side of my eyebrows off. Okay, you guys ready? All right, here we go, here we go. I'm so nervous. Ugh. Okay, it does take a few wipes. That's my first wipe right there. Okay, it's not as dark as I thought it would be, but it looks pretty good. It's kind of red right now, but that was my second wipe. All right, so I don't think it's that dark. I feel like it didn't change that much. Okay, so let's go ahead and take off the other side. I think I might have to do it again. I don't think that's dark enough for me. Or maybe I feel like I wiped it all away. Okay, this side definitely seems to be darker than this side. This side's darker than this side. You guys see it? It's a huge difference. So I think I need to go in and do this side again. Guys, this is not turning out to be right. Okay, so I'm gonna go in a second time with this one, and I'm gonna go in a little bit more with this side. There's this spot over here that I was talking about, and it did not do good. So I don't know what happened there, but I'll go in and fix it. And I'll leave this on for about 5 minutes. And this is what it looks like right now. As far as what's left, there is still a lot left. I know it's kind of hard to see on camera, but there's a lot left on there. Okay, so second round, 5 minutes. Okay, so this is what it looks like now. I got a 1 minute left on my 5-minute timer, and then I'm gonna be wiping this stuff off. Okay guys, 5 minutes is up, and I'm gonna go ahead and wipe off this second round. Wait, I did this side first. Or did I do this side first? I forgot what side I was doing first. Okay. So this side it's okay. It's a little sparse. I feel like it didn't dye that good. I don't know, maybe my eyebrow hairs are really thick. But this side feels a lot, it looks like a lot better. Like it's darker. Like how I wanted it. Okay, I think that's pretty good. I feel really good with this color. I think I might want it a little bit darker. So next time I'm gonna go with the black instead of the dark brown and see how I feel about that, because I don't feel like the dark brown, this is what it looks like right here. That's the color it looks like right now on this tray. And I feel like it's not as dark as I would intentionally like it to be, but I feel happy with it and I feel content with it. Now I know that I can go in with a darker color. Good morning. Today is the day after I have just tinted my eyebrows, and I want to give you guys a quick update. So my eyebrows are still on. I woke up and it felt great to already have colored eyebrows. Okay, I will give it that. I have no stains on my pillows, no stains on my sheets. I showered yesterday, even washed my hair, and the color is still there. So I am very pleased. So as far as my review, it has worked really good. It's really easy to use, and you need a minimal amount of it. I have a lifetime supply of this stuff, just about. Of course, I'm gonna throw it out when it expires, but still it's, you know, you use very little amount to get what you are trying to perform on your eyebrows. Also, the cost of it is like $8 and some change at Walmart. So the price is totally worth it because, again, you get like a lifetime usage of this stuff. The ease of use, as you guys see, is so simple to use, and the time it takes to actually do this, it took me 15 minutes total to actually do it, as far as leaving it on my eyebrows, because I did 10 minutes the first time and then 5 minutes the second time. But then, you know, you gotta factor in like mixing in and stuff like that. So maybe 20 minutes total if you plan to do it twice like I did, but you probably cut that time in half if you're just doing it for you know, one time. So this product, definitely give it a 10-star review. And yeah, if you guys want to try it out, please do, and let me know in the comments below what you guys think of it as well. So until I see you guys next time, I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.